Top 20 current affair question and answer in English. What is the name of the currency of Hungary? Answer: Hungarian forint. Who has inaugurated first drone school at Gwalior in Madhya Pradesh? Answer: Jyotiraditya Chindia. Who is the Union Minister of Civil Aviation? Answer: Jyotiraditya Chindia. What is the name of the capital of Madhya Pradesh? Answer: Bhopal. Who is the Governor of Madhya Pradesh? Answer: Mangubhai C. Patel. Who is the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh? Answer: Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Who authored by the book Soil Sorabji Life and Times? Answer: Abhinav Chandrachud. Which government has launched Mukhyamantri Chaa Srami Kalyan Prakalpa scheme? Answer: Tripura. What is the name of the capital of Tripura state? Answer: Agartala. Who is the Governor of Tripura state? Answer: Satyadev Narayan Arya. Who is the Chief Minister of Tripura state? Answer: Biplab Kumar Deb. What is the full form of IRDAI? Answer: Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Who is the current chairman of IRDAI? Answer: Devashish Panda. When was founded the IRDAI? Answer: 1999. Where is the headquarter of IRDAI? Answer: Hyderabad. Who is the chairman of Paytm Payments Bank? Answer: Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Who is the MD and CEO of Paytm Payments Bank? Answer: Satish Kumar Gupta. Where is the headquarter of Paytm Payments Bank? Answer: Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Who is the Chief of the Australian Army? Answer: Richard Burr. Where is the headquarter of Airports Council International? Answer: Montreal, Canada.